Hello friends, we're at Florida Hamcation, giving you a tour and the layout of the property. In this video we're going to take a look at the inside prize info booth in North Hall, and we'll take a quick walk around the eating area. So thanks for coming with me on this adventure as we take a tour of Hamcation in Orlando, Florida. We're looking here at the East-West Hall, which we did a tour also that'll be featured on the channel. So please take a look at that. But we're now going to head into the North Hall prize booth area.
He found out more about it.
You get both of them? Yep. So one is 5 and this one is 10.
Here's your Hamcation 2025 program. Take a quick look at this. Feel free to pause the video if you want to read any of this. All right, that's your Hamcation 2025 program. This table, they encourage everybody to fill out their tickets, and there looks like other HAMFests in the area put their advertisements. Here we have Zephyr Hill, Spring Hill, HAMFest. Advertisements for other HAMFests, Stone Mountain, Stewart HAMFest, Chattanooga HAMFest, random plate. Okay, continuing on the edge here, looking at some additional vendors. National Weather Service. Huntsville HAMFest. Dayton Hamventions here representing. Very important, Lost and Found. Over here is a TV that has all the winner ticket numbers. Zoom in on that for you.
Right?
Cool, thanks.
All right, so that concludes the tour of the North Hall. Okay, we're going to tour the eating area real quickly. Hey, I need you guys close to the table. There's a selling area right next to the food area. We'll show this while we're in the area. All right, back to the important stuff here. Okay, here we got wood-fired pizza. At lunchtime, that's one of the most popular areas. Okay, so thanks for coming along with me. That's going to conclude this video. This again is your North Hall video and eating area. Please check my channel for other areas of the HAMFest. Thanks for watching, everybody.